my name's Aneeqa. I'm from Surrey in England and I'm currently teaching in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I've been in Thailand for around 3 months now. I love a lot of things about it. If I had to pinpoint just a few, it would be the incredible food, the lovely people, and just how beautiful it is. Before starting my placement, I did 2 weeks of TEFL training and orientation with all of the other interns. One of the things that I really found helpful and enjoyed was the teaching practices that we did with local students. It just helped me feel really prepared for going into a classroom afterwards, which was a nice feeling. During orientation, I stayed at the eco resort with all of the other interns. We shared rooms, and this was actually quite fun. Like, we kept saying it was a bit like boarding school, but it was a really good chance to get to know each other, and we had like a really big pool, which was nice too. The in-country team were and are ongoingly really supportive with any questions or any help or anything that we really need just to help get settled in, which is great. At the moment, we're teaching online due to COVID. We should be going back into classrooms soon, but we can do this from home. Today, I popped into my school just for a bit of change of scenery. And I really like my school. My co-teachers are lovely. My students are sweet, so smart, and it's been really enjoyable so far. But I can't wait to meet them in person. Someone thinking of doing a TEFL internship in Thailand, I would say definitely go for it. I was a bit tentative whether to quit my job, like move to another country I've never been to before. But I've had the best time, and I've tried so many things that I'd never get the opportunity to do at home or on a 2-week holiday. And the training has really prepped me for feeling comfortable just doing something very different.